So, hello everyone and welcome back to another Southern Biker video, and today I want to talk about the future of Kawasaki within Essex here in the UK. So, as I'm sure many of you know, Kawasaki Colchester, or Global Moto Colchester, rather, is closing. It's going by the end of the year, and if you saw my last video, you would have seen what it looks like on the inside, and a lot of it is shut off and they don't have masses in stock left. So I was wondering, if I did find myself in a situation where I wanted to buy a brand new Kawasaki, where would I have to go? Because at the moment my closest two dealerships for Kawasaki is, I believe it's called Bowen Moto in Chatham, which is in Kent, meaning I'd have to go across the Dartford Tunnel and Bridge, and that's not exactly fun or easy. Or I believe the next one is, I think it was called Bacon's Motorcycles, but I believe it's now being renamed, but it's near Newbury Park and is also, from what I understand, owned by Global Moto. Or if I really wanted to, I believe the next one from there is in Ipswich. However, if you have watched my channel for about a year or so now, you may remember the video where I went to a Ducati dealership. There's another brother. There you go, hand up. Yeah, you may remember the video I went to a Ducati dealership and there was a barbecue. Well, lo and behold, they announced on Facebook a couple of days ago that they are going to be Kawasaki dealers from next year, meaning that if you're in Essex, there will still be an Essex-based Kawasaki dealer. For those who don't know, this is, right, it goes by a few names from what I understand. It's listed as Hyside Motorcycles, but it's more commonly known as Hyside Ducati or Colchester Kawasaki, I believe, originally, and they are basically, well, Hyside, which is right near Malden. Yeah, friends. Anyway, so yeah, they are from next year going to be selling brand new Kawasaki motorcycles from what they are saying on their Facebook. And I did actually have a look before coming out and doing this video at the Kawasaki UK website for the list of dealers, and it is actually on there. It is listed as a Kawasaki dealer, but don't go down there now. They aren't taking Kawasaki till next year from what their Facebook post says. I believe they said spring, so still a couple of months to go, because I'm assuming they're going to want to reshuffle their showroom. I'll try and throw some clips of what that looks like on the inside now from when I went, but do bear in mind this is when I only had a very large lens for my camera and I wasn't using my phone. I don't think I was anyway, so everything might look a bit zoomed in. Anyway, so yeah, I don't think it's until spring. I'll throw up the actual details on the screen from what I can find. But yeah, I'm assuming it won't. They're using that time to obviously redesign and reshuffle things around in their showroom, and obviously they've got to train all their staff up to be knowledgeable on obviously the Kawasaki motorcycles, which will be interesting. I have also seen people comment on this on Facebook asking about, I don't know what it's called, but I believe it's the performance division that was based at the Kawasaki Colchester dealer. I think it's like MSS or something. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, people are asking if they are going to be moving as well. Oh, they're not going. I literally just stopped for nothing. I looked like they were going to go. But yeah, it seems that there's no comment on whether they are going as of yet. It's unconfirmed. Police jet skis. I will have 7 of them, please. So yeah, basically, if you were wanting to buy a new Kawasaki next year and you live in Essex and you didn't fancy going to either Chatham, Newbury Park or Ipswich, you can go to Malden from some point spring next year and have a look at a few Ducatis while you're at it, because maybe one of those will end up taking your tasting instead. But yeah, that's a short little video. I'm pretty sure I covered everything I wanted to cover. If I had to go buy a Kawasaki for my next bike, my intentions would either be the ZX4 RR. Is that the correct way to say it? I get confused. Yeah, the inline 400 or the Z1000 SX, because I don't really want the Ninja 650 because I think it's just a bit boring. A nice looking bike, but I just think it's, I don't know, it's sort of got the, from what I understand, the ergos of a street bike, but obviously the body of a sports bike, and also compared to the CBR 650R and the R7, it's lacking in power. But then again, it's probably a lot more comfortable than the R7. Anyway, moving on, the ZX6R or whatever it's called, yeah, that's going to be a bit too much. I think that's going to be a bit too much of a leap. That's a very, you know, focused bike, and I don't particularly think I'm going to be capable of handling that, especially if it's my first sports bike as well. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I shall catch you all in another video soon.